Today, I'm going to walk you through how to create a project plan using Confluence together with Jira Advanced Roadmaps. By the end of this tutorial, you'll not only know exactly how to build a visual dynamic project plan, but also how to bring that roadmap seamlessly into your documentation space in Confluence, so your whole team can track progress and collaborate in real time. Let's dive right in, starting with setting up your Jira plan. First, in Jira, head up to Plans and select Create Plan. This is where you'll give your plan a name. Think descriptive and clear, like Q3 Product Launch. Take a moment to set your plan access. I usually recommend keeping it open so stakeholders who need to check in won't have permissions issues later. Remember, naming and access aren't just admin details. They help your team connect your planning space to your broader company context and ensure everyone who needs info has it at their fingertips. Next, you'll add your issue sources. This means telling Jira where to pull your work items from. Maybe your team uses a specific project, or maybe you like working off boards or tailored filters. Choose whatever tracks your main epics, stories, or tasks. The benefit here is you're centralizing all the work that matters to your initiative into one cohesive view. If you ever find yourself scrambling to hunt down what piece of work belongs where, this step will save you headaches down the road. Before you get too deep, take advantage of the Settings tab to configure your plan. Here, you'll set your preferred scheduling granularity, hours, days, or story points. There's no one-size-fits-all. If your team estimates in hours for design but uses story points for development, match this to your team's reality. Also, choose your date fields for start and end. This ensures the roadmap aligns with your actual workflow, not just default fields Jira sets up. Don't rush here. Getting this right up front avoids confusion about timing expectations later. Now, for the part where your plan really comes to life, switch over to the timeline view. Think of this as your digital Gantt chart. You'll see all your linked issues as bars across the calendar, making it easy to drag and adjust start or end dates. If you have dependencies, say the design can't begin until research is complete, you can visually link those together so everyone instantly understands what's blocking what. Don't be afraid to spend time here, tweaking and testing different arrangements. Seeing things laid out often sparks conversations you might otherwise miss. One step that's crucial but sometimes overlooked is capacity mode. This lets you add your actual teams to the plan, alongside estimated workloads. Picture this as making sure you're not assigning the same person to 5 different launches in the same week. You'll immediately see resource gaps or overloads, which means you can balance workloads before you're knee-deep in crunch time. You can also assign releases, tying your work directly to plan launches or sprints. Once your plan is ready, it's time to get it in front of your team with Confluence. Open your Jira plan, hit the share button, and simply copy the link. Over in Confluence, just paste that link onto a page, no fancy moves required, and Confluence will automatically convert it into an interactive Jira roadmap macro. If you prefer menus, use the macro shortcut and select Jira Roadmap. Both methods are super simple but incredibly powerful. They ensure your live roadmap is embedded right where your docs, meeting notes, and decisions live, so nothing gets lost by being somewhere else. Here where the magic happens. Collaboration and ongoing management. Anyone with access to your Confluence page will now always see the live, up-to-date roadmap, no more old screenshots or out-of-date PDFs. If someone marks a task complete or shifts a delivery date in Jira, it shows up instantly in Confluence. You can also filter the plan directly, focus in on one team's deliverables, or zoom into a critical release. Plus, with all your project notes and decisions right beside your roadmap, everyone stays in sync, whether they're an engineer, marketer, or executive sponsor. And that's it. Hit play on these steps and your project planning process should feel smoother, clearer, and much more collaborative. If this tutorial helped you, please tap the like button and don't hesitate to leave any questions in the comments below. I love hearing from you and helping solve real workflow challenges. Subscribe for more smart tutorials and I'll see you in the next one.